QBTS stock analysis and QBTS stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. D-Wave Quantum in this 2.7% correction today. It's not the worst thing ever, but yeah, still it's correcting down. Well, I've made more videos than anyone else in this space, with the most proof documented with 39,000 videos. I think it's already 40,000, but who knows. Gotta check. But since I've gone on the first break, all I've been waiting for is this second one. And then swing type opportunity, definitely looking to take it up. But on the lower time frame, like intraday opportunities and trades, that second break here will mean a lot, but does not take away the opportunity that is still presented to us here, as long as there is the confirmation, right? So definitely very open-minded to trying to ride the wave up here. And if no rules are met, then I'm just not going to be buying. So I will continue to keep you updated. All I will keep doing is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.